Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the AI video. So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. To start off the create the video, I would like to create the picture first, or in the term is I would like to generate the image to become a video. And here guys, I will use the Raphael AI. Why? Because it will give you the chance to generate the text to become the picture, and the picture is perfectly good, and also you don't need to do the login first, and also it is for free guys. For example, I open the raphaelai.org here, and this is the prompt about the picture that I would like to transform into the video. And I choose the aspect ratio here. It's like, if I'm not mistaken, it was 9:16. And after that, you can do the verify here and click generate. And after that, the picture is will be or the picture will be shown on the right section, and this is the picture that already present about this prompt guys. And after that, I have tried to use the Gemini AI here. As you can see, I put the picture by click this upload file and click this picture and click open. And after that, you can put the prompt like this. For example, a bonfire blazes brightly in the middle of the night and in the snowy pine forest. Then a girl with a white gown approaching the bonfire. Then she touches the bonfire with her right index finger, and her touch makes the fire freeze little by little from top to bottom, and the fire tune to be snowman. And after that, you can copy it and you can start to generate it. And after that, you can wait for the maybe 1 minute until 2 minutes, because it also depends on the complexity of the request or this prompt. And after that, this video is finally ready guys. So for example, for this Gemini or the VO3, they will give you usually 8 seconds of the video. So the picture and also the video is blend up perfectly and also show the every detail or represent the every detail of this prompt. And if you'd like to save it, then it is okay because you can download it, but maybe there will also the watermark view on the top, on the bottom left right corner. And if you would like to use this Gemini AI, make sure that you have already in the pro version, because they will usually give you the chance in a tool, and click this create video with view. And don't worry, because you can also use the another AI that is Pixverse. You can access it whether that from the Android or the iOS phone, and also from the PC guys. And also don't forget to do the login first. And for the initial credits, they will give you 90 credits over here, and here this is the credits left. And if you would like to create something from the video, or if you would like to generate a video from the picture, you can start off from this section, image or text, and after that you can continue to choose the video. Choose the picture. And you can also put your prompt over here and also choose the duration, for example, the pixels, auto sounds, auto speech, or the style. And after that, you can continue to generate the video or the picture here, but it will, of course, reduce the 20 credits. So it will become 90 credits. And it will usually direct you into this section. So this is the video result that has already generated. Well, actually, the picture itself is pretty and beautiful, but it's not really presented about the every single detail in the prompt. But it is okay. As you can see that actually the right is it should have been the right hand, but suddenly it turns to be the left hand. And if you would like to download it, then you can click it. If you would like to download without the watermark, then you need to do the purchase of their package first. But if you would like to download it for free, then you can click this, but there will be the watermark on the video. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try these two AI to create any video. And if you have any requests or feedback or even the suggestion of another AI that can do the same, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.